Today we're gonna make some Jim Davis, so buckle in, we got a recipe coming for you. So the first thing we're gonna put in to make our Jim is some good advice. We're just gonna sprinkle some of that right on in there. All right. Our next ingredient is what we call the gay allspice. Those ingredients are musical theater, tennis, Judy Garland, heels, chorus, and of course Barbra Streisand. You know, it wouldn't be Jim if we didn't put in a little genealogy, enough to fill your head. Next, we're going to add just a splash of kindness. Whoops. Then add boyfriends. Then we're going to add a whole lot of love, because you can't have Jim without love.
It's huge.
Oh yeah. We're going to mix it all up.
Some Jim.
Almost. Just right. That's how you make a Jim. Thanks everybody, and happy birthday, Dad. Love you.